Our lesson is 7th lesson in Japanese. It's about numbers. Okay, hope that's big enough for everyone to see. First, we'll start off with the word kazu. Kazu means numbers in Japanese. Okay, whenever you say I, you always start with watashi wa. Watashi wa kazoimasu. Watashi wa kazoimasu. I count. Anata wa kazoimasu. Anata wa means you. You count. You're counting. Counto shimasu. You can also say I count. Counto shimasu. Counto shimasu. This is obviously a borrowed word. You count. You could also say that. Let's start with 1, 2, 3. Ichi, ni, san. Ichi, ni, san. 1, 2, 3. Shi, go, roku. Shi, go, roku. 4, 5, 6. Shichi, hachi, ju. Shichi, hachi, ju. 7, 8, 9. In ordinal numbers, we add dai in between. So we're talking about first, second, third, and so on here. And in this manner, we simply add the word dai, D-A-I, in between the numbers. So we go ichi, dai, chi. Ni, dai, ni. San, dai, san. There's something very cool about Japanese. It's kind of weird because some of their numbers do have a couple ways to say them, depending on the context and how you use it. For example, nana. Sometimes you hear the word nana. It means 7 as well as shichi. They all mean the same thing. However, they have different uses. They can be used in different situations. If you're counting using, with age and big numbers, you always use these equivalent names for those numbers. So instead of shichi, you say nana. 4, yon, yo. Or 9, kyu, instead of ku. For example, 4 years old, yon sai. 7 years old, nana sai. Nana sai. However, when you count with months and if you're telling time, and just your regular way of saying things, counting things, you just use shichi for 7, shi for 4, and ku for 9. For example, 7 o'clock, shichiji, shichiji.